How to fix Instagram not sending photos. So if you want to fix Instagram not sending photos, then first you need to open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to tap on see all apps and then scroll down, go with the Instagram application. Once you tap on Instagram, you will have an option of storage and cache. Tap on it and then tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, make sure that you allow the permissions and also make sure that you allow the notifications. Once done, you need to go back. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then Instagram might be down. To check that, you need to go with your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And here you need to search for Instagram down detector and then tap on Instagram down detector, and it will detect if Instagram is down today or not. And if it's down, then you just need to simply wait for a few hours and then again try sending your photos and your problem might be fixed. But if it's not about the Instagram, then you need to simply go with your Play Store and search for Instagram application. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under Instagram, then you just need to simply go and update. And once you've updated, you need to go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix Instagram not sending photos, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.